Does YouTube TV require a box? No, YouTube TV does not require a cable box or any specialized hardware. It is a streaming service that works on a wide range of devices connected to the internet. How YouTube TV works without a box. Cloud-based streaming. YouTube TV delivers content via the internet, eliminating the need for traditional cable or satellite boxes. Device compatibility. It works seamlessly on various internet-connected devices such as smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick, smartphones and tablets, iOS and Android, computers, via web browsers, gaming consoles, Xbox, PlayStation. Steps to set up YouTube TV. Step number 1, choose a compatible device. Identify the device you plan to use for streaming, such as a smart TV, smartphone, or streaming stick. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app. Download and install the YouTube TV app from your device's app store. Alternatively, access YouTube TV through a web browser on your computer. Step number 3, sign up or log in. Sign up for YouTube TV if you're a new user, or log in with your existing Google account. Step number 4, connect to the internet. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Step number 5, start streaming. Open the app or website, browse the channel guide, and start watching live or on-demand content. Benefits of not needing a box. Portability. Access YouTube TV on any compatible device, making it easy to switch between screens. Cost savings. Avoid the rental fees associated with traditional cable or satellite boxes. Simplicity. A single app manages all your live TV, on-demand, and DVR content.